Good afternoon all. Today we are going to have a look at Achieving Financial Goal Part 5 video. If you have not seen the previous parts, I would encourage you to go ahead and see Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and Part 4 and then come have a look at the Part 5 video, or at least after watching this particular video, go back and see all the Part 4 videos, because each and every part has a link to the next part. In the Part 5 video of Achieving Financial Goal, today we are going to have a look at buying a dream home. According to us, we are not only going to concentrate on stock market, we are going to concentrate on all the investments which is available, so that we can gradually keep each and every step up and we can achieve our financial goal. Buying a home is everyone's dream. Are you having a less salary? You feel you cannot buy a home? Post watching this video, better go and buy one, or at least have a thought process when you can achieve this particular dream of yours. Welcome to SS Creation, and I am Sudarshan, who is going to take you towards achieving your financial goal. I have selected a smart target. My target is making you understand what is financial freedom and how to achieve it. And have you selected your target? If not, kindly do select it. Help your friends and family reach their financial freedom. And on the way, 1,000 subscribers for this channel within 1 month. Let's keep it as a target. We will see where we end at the end of 1 month from here. Now, let's get on to the video. Who can buy the home? First of all, anyone who earns more than 40,000 per month can buy a home very easily. For that, you have to understand certain criteria and you have to set your goal according to that. And you should first understand what is your family size and what kind of a BHK you are going to need. Do you need a 1 BHK or a 2 BHK or a 3 BHK? And what if I tell you, if you don't have to plan too far ahead, because currently if you only require 2 BHK, you can go ahead and buy a 2 BHK rather than buying a 3 BHK for considering the future. Because the 2 BHK can be very spacious than the 3 BHK which you are looking for. That also we will cover in this particular video. And guys, if you like these kind of videos, do hit on the like button. Do share it to your friends and family so that it will be useful for them. If you have still not subscribed and watching the videos, do hit on the subscribe button. Now we will have a look at how to select the criteria for buying the home. First, you have to consider your family size and what is your age, what is your income and city you live in, and how long you are going to stay in that particular city, or alternative thinking is required. How, even though if we don't live in a particular city, how to mitigate that particular risk. We will see all those things in this particular video. Now let's get on to the financial part. First of all, if you want to buy your own house, first you need to understand whether you want 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 3 BHK. By now, you would have finalized that. Based on our previous slides, you would have finalized which BHK you require and what is your family size and what is your age and what is your income. Because all these things, I need not tell, it was available ready-made in your hands. So in financial part, what we are going to look at it is, let's go and check how much money you need to buy a home. And the second thing which we will see is, what is the eligibility criteria for the loans and how much money you need in your hand to pay the initial amount to buy the home. Because 100% of the money will not be given by the financial institutions. They will only give you 80% of the money as a loan. Balance 20% you have to pay upfront. So how to get that 20% of money and what is the time frame that is required to get that 20% of the money, we will have a look into all those aspects. Then whether government is supporting us in buying our first home, if so, what is it? That also we will have a look at this particular video. So I have gone through a website, certain websites, and I have taken what is the cost of 2 BHK and 3 BHKs in Chennai. I just had a glance before making this particular video. So I have taken some screenshots. If you see, approximately 28 lakhs, 30 lakhs and 25 lakhs is the amount that is approximately required to buy a 2 BHK in Chennai. See, you cannot, let's be very practical. This money is not enough for you to buy a house in Chennai city. But where is the industrial area near? Near Tambaram, Ambattur, these areas you can get. Similarly, near Guduanjeri. And where is the industrial hub for us? Exactly very near to these areas. Either you have to go to Varakram, or you have to go to Mahendra World City, or you have to go to Ambattur, or you have to go towards Gindi. These are the industrial hubs available in Chennai. So these house which I have selected is almost 7 to 8 kilometers from the region which I have told right now. And one more thing is 7 kilometers. If I say I have not taken the entire outskirts, I have taken which is a nearby access to the location. And all these areas are pure residential area. It is not a outskirt. Guduanjeri is a place thickly populated. Similarly, I have taken Kundratur. Kundratur is also decently populated area. Katangulatur is also a decently populated area where you also have SRM University nearby. So I have selected only places like this. Okay, now we have seen what is the approximate cost required. You go ahead and search in your specific locations. Maybe it will cost you another 3 to 4 lakh rupees extra up and down here and there. But approximate value is going to be 30 lakhs for a 2 BHK, which is quite spacious as well. 1100 square feet or 950 square feet, 1000 square feet of a area. So it is not that we are looking for a very small house. It's pretty much spacious for a 2 BHK. Now we will go ahead and see what is the loan eligibility related criteria. See, this has been taken directly from the HDFC website. You can also go ahead and check your eligibility criteria. I have taken two slots. One is 35,000 and another is 40,000 rupees salary per month. So you will approximately get 20 lakhs to 23.5 lakhs as a loan amount, and your EMI will be somewhere around 15,000 to 18,000 rupees. As I told before, home loans will be given only approximately 80% of your house value. So 20% of the amount you should be paying upfront. So we will just have a small calculation here. What is the 80% of 30 lakhs? So the bank can give you approximately 24 lakhs as a loan, and you have to upfront pay the builder 6 lakh rupees for buying that particular house. So any person who gets approximately 40,000 rupees salary can easily go ahead and purchase a 30 lakh rupees house. And guys, there is one more small trick available in this. I will tell those tricks to people who watch the video till the very end. And how to earn this 20% of money. 20% is not so easy. 6 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees approximately. How and when we, if you are not having that money in hand, how to get this money of 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs will be posted in the next video, which may be coming today or tomorrow based on the time availability. Now, this is the EMI chart of HDFC, which I have again taken from their portal only. If you want to buy a house, the rate of interest is 6.75%. There are many banks which give even 6.5%, I guess. You just check the other portals as well, because I have just verified with HDFC. I have not verified with any other banks. You don't ask me why I have taken HDFC Bank, because I was able to find that website very easily, calculations. That's why I've taken that website. This is not a paid video or anything, or I'm not promoting HDFC or any other house related photos which I have posted before. This is just an example and not any kind of promotions. So I told you I will be telling you one small trick. This is the trick. Thing is, if you decide to buy a home much early in your initial phase of career, you can easily ask the bank to provide you a 30 years of loan. Why we have to take 30 years of loan? If the interest rate will be very high and I have to pay more interest. If this is going to be your criteria, I will give you a small trick here. Your EMI amount is not going to increase. Only the tenure is going to increase when you ask for extended loan. And you may also get only 3-4 lakhs for 10 years of loan. But for getting 3 lakhs, you will be in a position to pay somewhere around 6 lakhs, 7 lakh rupees as a return. So why we have to extend this 10 years? Why I have to pay extra interest to the bank? Your question is absolutely right, but there is a small trick in this. See, anyhow, you are going to pay only 18,000 rupees for your EMI month on month. So what you can do is, you can save some portion of your money every month and you can pay it in the principal amount, where the principal will get adjusted and your tenure will keep on coming down. If you reduce the tenure, and pay extra EMI, if you reduce your tenure and pay more money to the bank, you will not be in a position to save that extra few bucks. Maybe if you can pay 20,000 rupees, instead if you are paying only 15,000, 5,000 every month, you keep it separately, and this 5,000 you can take at the end of 1 year and pay 60,000 or 1 lakh, how much ever you are able to save. That amount will get reduced into your principal, and once the principal is getting adjusted, your EMI tenure will get reduced, or your EMI amount can be reduced. Again, if you are intelligent, go ahead and ask the bank to reduce the EMI amount rather than reducing the tenure. What will happen is, the more you reduce your EMI amount and keep the tenure constant, you will have to pay less amount month on month to the bank. You will be feeling as if you are paying more loan, but that is not the case, because you will be saving a lump sum of amount every year, and you will be reducing your principal amount. In this case, you will be paying much less loan than what you would have paid for the entire 20 years. So this is one of the simple trick. You do your calculations and you will understand what I'm talking about. Never reduce the tenure, then keep the tenure extended as much as possible. Pay the EMI less. Instead of paying 20,000, pay only 15,000 rupees by extending your years. And that 5,000 rupees which you have, keep it separately, because even if you pay 20,000, out of this 20,000, this 5,000 entirely will not go into your principal amount. So you can save this 5,000 every month. At the end of 12th month, pay 60,000, and the 60,000 will be adjusted in your principal amount. So after adjusting your principal amount, ask them to reduce the EMI, not the tenure. Once you reduce the tenure EMI, again you will save another 2-3,000 rupees in the particular month. So 7,000, it becomes now 7,000, and 7,000 into 12 you calculate and pay it in your principal. Further keep reducing your EMI amount rather than the tenure. This will help you in pre-closing your loans very easily. This is one of the best trick that people can follow in the housing loans. Now we are going to see what is the central government scheme that is available for the new buyers. According to central government, there is an option called Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This initiative is being brought in 2017. What happens if you now buy a home? That has to be enrolled into your PAN and Aadhaar cards, and what government will do is, government will be giving you approximately 2 lakh rupees. Again, here there is two slabs. One is 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs salaried person, and 12 lakhs and to 18 lakhs salaried person. Only if you are within 18 lakhs salary, you will be eligible under this particular scheme. If you are above 18 lakhs, you are not eligible under this particular scheme. So approximately you can save 2 lakh rupees. Here we had seen previously how to get 10 lakh rupees to buy your house, and 6 to 8 lakh rupees would be your initial amount that is required for you to give it to your builder, and balance 2 lakhs rupees approximately it will take you for your registration. Because of this government scheme, that 2 lakh rupees of yours will be coming back approximately for you. So it is something like you are registering the house free of cost. So you understand this very well. You should be in the cadre of either 6 lakhs to 12 lakhs or 12 lakhs to 18 lakhs annual income, and this should be the first house that you buy, and only this is applicable for you. Yes, this is not applicable for you. And another thing is, out of the 10 lakhs which you should have in hand for buying the house, 2 lakhs is coming back to you. So you require balance 6 lakhs to 8 lakh rupees fund for buying the house. We will see how to get those money. Guys, this is the end of this particular video. At the end of the video, I hope I have given you a good clarity on whether I am in a right time to buy a particular house. I very well remember I have to give you one more tip, how to achieve that 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs, which will be seen in the next video. Achieving financial goal part 6, this will be covered. Now, I hope I have fulfilled my commitment of enlightening you, solve your confusion, whether you want to buy your home now or later. I hope now you will fulfill your commitment to hit on the share button and share it to your friends, so they will also be benefited by seeing these videos. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Have a great day.